Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. The price continues to be in this uptrend. Good reaction. We had a good reaction to our wave 2 support area back in September. And this was a test of the 50% retracement level. We call the test of a 50% fib level. That's an ideal target for a wave 2, a typical corrective pattern from an Elliott wave point of view. And now we could be in the third wave. And this third wave should take us to $5.77 or higher, rather higher, in this third wave. And then we should see eventually the price grind higher, accordingly to $10 plus. So that's what we're tracking here at the moment. Important to understand that in the very short term, there are certain support levels we need to be watching. But ultimately, what is really important is that the price needs to get above 430, 440 next. These previous swing highs from July and May. And ultimately, then the price, should get to $10 plus. But I think you know this roadmap. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame. If there are any changes and adjustments on a smaller time frame, I think that's important to see. And hey, look at that. The price also rallied from the swing low in September, which I just showed you. I'm just not showing the fib support here on this time frame. Because it's not really relevant anymore at the moment, because we had a 5-wave move up from that low and a corrective pullback. It's not the most beautiful 5-wave move up. All right, so I want to highlight something. I mean, we talked about it. Is it possible that we get one more high here like this and we call this 5 waves up? I think so. I think that would be possible in case we get a break below our upper micro support here, which is between $3.69 and $3.79. I think we might just start a bit of a deeper pullback before then going higher, right? So I just haven't shown that as a separate scenario here on the chart. We're tracking it with the support levels, okay? So that means in the short term, for now, I'm watching for higher prices here. And I'm just showing this micro support zone between 369 and 380. Someone asked me earlier today on our Discord server if this is a strong support area, this support zone I added to the chart. And my answer was it's just a pivot. It's basically just a support zone to watch. It's not necessarily a zone that needs to be tested and the price needs to react to. It's more like a signal. So if we break below 369, it would tell us that this direct upside move that started here on the 15th of September is likely over. And we would need to adjust the microstructure. What it would mean is essentially just that this wave 2 is likely resetting. Okay. Now, it's good that we have seen a break above that 388 level. I mean, but again, that could still be an extension of wave 1 for now. From that point of view, we have to be a bit flexible, but I'm watching this support zone as first micro support area. It will be adjusted with the price as we still go higher. And if we just keep going here, the higher we go, the more likely it is we're already in the third wave, as I'm actually already tracking it, okay? The next resistance level is here right at $4.20. There isn't really any structural resistance that's very noticeable until then. I mean, maybe here, but that's more like maybe these swing highs can act as resistance around $4.10. But for now, I'm watching if the bulls can defend this micro support in any pullback, and then price should grind higher. There is a potential that this is a real breakout. I mean, some coins are really looking good. Bread, for example, Pengu. SUI is also okay. I just don't like the structure of this 5-wave move up. What does it mean? Is it bearish? No. It just means the microstructure might shift. I view it as a higher likelihood that the microstructure might shift. But again, all that might mean is that this wave 2 could reset. And in that case, then we will adjust this lower support area. We might talk about that tomorrow, depending on what happens over the next few sessions. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in checking out more updates and so on, feel free to join our membership. The link is in the description. Also, check out our X channel for additional updates, news, charts, and much more. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.